It's going to be a really brief video. The floor plan of this camper has not changed other than the dinette and the love seat. Some have a dinette. We have the love seat recliners. These tires have about 1,200 miles on them. They're Goodyear endurance. They have the Lippert TPMS system installed. There's no damage to the camper. Just going to do a quick walkabout on the outside. This does have a standard 6-gallon water heater. It is not on demand, as we did not prefer that. There is an extension added here. This is a Schwintek slide system. It has worked perfectly for us. You can see the X-Factor cross bracing that we have added to each of the 3 hanger points, as well as the CRE 3000 more ride devices. This camper does come with the bike rack, but not the bikes. Have a tongue jack cover and 2 20-pound propane tanks, a lead acid 12-volt battery, 100-watt solar panel on top, Lippert thin shade, RV lock, remote access, of course the pillows in this are our touch, easily removable. This is a quartz heater that we use that will not go with the camper. See the surround sound, surround speakers. The center, it is a 7.1 and TCL Roku TV. We upgraded this. The refrigerator was installed in February as a warranty replacement, as the original stopped working consistently. This camper stays undercover, out of the sun 24/7 unless it's on the road with us, and stays plugged in to shore power, 30 amp shore power. This is the original bathroom vent fan. We installed a max air fan prior to the installation of the RV FlexArmor roof, which has a lifetime warranty that transfers with the camper. We know the owners of the company, the FlexArmor installer, and we'll notify them of the transfer of ownership on the buyer's behalf. And that's it. Thanks for watching.